In this video, we're going to show how to multiply two binomials. I'm going to use an array to show you how to do this. There are other ways to show this, but I'm going to use the array. You can decide if you like using an array or if you want to use another method. So I'll take the first binomial x minus 3 and write it like this, x minus 3. So x is on the top row, minus 3 is on the bottom row. And x plus 2. I'll put across like that. Now I'm going to do 4 individual multiplications. So x times x is x to the second power, or x squared. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. That means that I end up with x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. So I have like terms here, and I have like terms here. I have x squared plus 2x minus 3x, then minus 6. And I have to combine these like terms. So now I can say positive 2 plus negative 3 gives me negative 1. So I have x squared minus 1x minus 6. Finally, I don't have to write the 1 in front of a variable. If I leave it blank, it's assumed that it's 1. So my final answer would look like x squared minus x minus 6 after I combine these like terms. Pause the video and see if you do this correctly on your own, then unpause and look at me. Look at my work. So I have negative 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 1. Negative 2x times positive 3x is negative 6x to the second power, because x times x is x to the second power. Now I have negative times negative. So positive 2x times 1 is 2x. Here I have negative times positive. So that's negative 9x. Then finally I have negative times negative, which is positive, like that. So just like before, I have 4 terms, but 2 of them can be combined. So I'm going to have negative 6x to the second power. And then over here, I'm going to have plus 3. And the thing that comes in the middle is going to be plus 2x minus 9x. So positive 2 minus 9 is negative 7. So this part is minus 7x, like that. Okay, last one. Now this is an easy one, but it's going to reveal something that is interesting that we see a lot when we are working with quadratics in algebra. So this answer is only going to have 2 terms. It's going to be something minus something, which is kind of weird because just a minute ago, we ended up with 4 cells and then we had 3 terms because of combining like terms. So now watch this. We have x times x, which is x to the second power, x times positive 5, so plus 5x. Negative 5 times x, so minus 5x. And then negative 5 times positive 5, which is negative times positive is negative 25. So now when I look to fill this in, I've got x squared, and then I've got plus 5x, and I've got minus 5x, and then I have minus 25. The reason we only have 2 terms is plus 5x minus 5x adds to equal 0. This total is 0. So then you could think of it as plus 0x, x squared plus 0x minus 25. That would be correct. But in math, we're not actually going to write this because 0 times anything is 0. So then we don't need to write it here. And we don't need to write these 5x's either now that we've done the math. My answer is simply x squared minus 25.